In this video, we demonstrate the use of the SSF-MICROV-250X fiber verification microscope kit. This kit can be used with single-motor multimode fibers terminated with LC, SC, ST, or FC connectors. Refer to the instruction manual for the full connector compatibility list. To avoid potential eye damage, never look into optical fibers or light sources while operational. This kit includes the microscope display unit, handheld probe, AC adapter, and adapters for use with SC and LC connectors. One-click type cleaners for use with SC and LC connectors are also included. Plug probe into display unit. Push yellow button to activate screen. Set kickstand on back of display as needed. Screen brightness can be adjusted using the wheel on the top of the display unit. For SC testing, install 2.5mm adapter. Adapters can be unscrewed and changed according to the needed connector type. Do not over-tighten adapter. Connect SC connector to probe end. Rotate focus knob until the connector image appears on the screen. For LC testing, unscrew the 2.5mm adapter and replace with the 1.25mm end. Connect LC connector and review connector image. A clean connector end face will have an image that does not show dust, lines, or other contaminant. For example, touching the connector ferrule will result in contamination. The screen will show additional lines and marks. To clean the connector, use the included 1.25mm one-click type cleaner. Upon re-inspection, the image should show a clean end face. This end face shows scratches on the connector that cannot be resolved through cleaning. As shown, a one-click type cleaner does not create any change. The connector would need to be replaced. The SSF-MICROV-250X can also be used to inspect connectors in a bulkhead connected to the back of an installed adapter plate. In this example, we are using LC connectors. Attach female LC adapter tip. Remove dust caps from desired port and the port next to it. Insert adapter tip. Focus as needed. To clean, insert the 1.25mm one-click type cleaner. Push until it clicks. Upon re-inspection, the display shows a clean connector.